Chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened you need. Back at the boat show, day 2. Let's go. Oh, these look cool. Alright, the sun's out today, so it was pretty shit yesterday. And today we're going to buy some bits for the boat. Starting here. Jet skis, look at that. 20 grand. Going up on the jet ski, that music. Pretty cool. It's a cool tender. It's a cool little thing, isn't it? And left-hand drive. Nice. Look at the size of that. V8. What is that? Don't really get it. E-propulsion. They're so expensive. Yeah, it's just got a big bugger. £39k. That's a bit of kit. What about the colour of that seabird? Do you want that one, Moretti? No, maybe not. There's a lot of ribs behind here. Oh man. Pasties. Very good. More ribs. Princess. Bentley. Let's go and have a look at some cars at the boat show. Good. What are you saying? Rib. Massive, isn't it? Flying spur. Very nice. Look at that interior. I'll look at that in a minute. Integra Speed. Nice. I like that interior. Just look quite small. I wouldn't even have to tell you how to do it. I'll have a look at the interior in this one. Oh, excuse me. Let's have a look. Nice. I like that colour. Maybe that we could do on the boat. Look at that. Yeah, nice tenders. New Tohatsu electric whiteboard. It's pretty cool. That's Pretty pricey, no doubt. So other outboards. What size of that? Right, back inside, having another look around. We didn't have a proper look yesterday, so see if we can get the bits we need. Alright. Looks empty though, doesn't it? Definitely not as many stores here this year. There's a lot of belts. There we go. Awesome. I've just booked a bloody weekend in Chelsea to have a makeover, so that's that done. I'm getting it done as well, apparently. So we're going to Chelsea for a makeover. All right. Still haven't got anything for the bloody boat yet, mind.
How did she?
There we are. Seats. Back with colour samples, colour swatches in another quote. That's the colour. Yeah. Yeah, fair enough. Alright, we've spent some money. I'm not going to tell you how much, but we've just ordered our new upholstery.
And it's going to be done within a month.
Done within a month.
Woohoo!
Amazing. Ship-shape bedding. So,
yes.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you guys. Look forward to that. So that's a big wedge of money gone.
Yeah.
That's cool, isn't it?
That's cool.
Solid. Little controls.
What is it?
Jim Davison in the background. He's on the phone. So disturbing. Right, weather's a bit better today. Sun's out, it's not raining. Just spent lots of money, so we're going to go in the boat folk stands again and drown them with beer, but Bird's going to try not to drink too much today. You're not, but we know what the bear's like, so we will see.
Where you can see it that way. Right, back down on the pontoons, have a look at some more boats. Weather's holding up. Well, it does look like it's going to rain, and it is getting late, so show's going to close soon. It's 4:20. So it's quiet time. We'll come and have a look at some boats. Oh, that's a Saxdor. 2 V10s, 350 horsepower each. That shifts, doesn't it? It's a cool bit of kit. Yeah. Look at that front door that opens up. Yeah, it's a day boat. Yeah. Yeah, that is quite nice, isn't it?
Barbecue there, right side. Yeah.
Are you okay?
How are you?
Yeah, very well, thank you. Yourself?
That is cool. Sliding door. That's massive, isn't it? 400, so I suppose it's 40 foot long. It looks 40 foot long. Cool. Nice. Nice boats.
Nice boats. Right. Let's see if we can get ourselves on one of these. Like this one. Manhattan 68. Can't read it from here. 68. 68. Or Lego. Right, so I'm going to go across. Right, back in the shipyard. Let's have a beer in here and then go some food. That's the end of the show. It's been a really good show. We've made some new contacts. So shout out to Dan from British Boating Magazine. Really good to meet you guys, and we look forward to seeing you on our boat. And we made some more friends. Yeah. Say hello to some more friends. It's been a really good show. We bought some bits, some ropes, and yeah, we're now just going back to the hotel, and then we're going out and have a drink and get some food. So yeah, really good weekend. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel because it will help us. And yeah, really love to hear your comments on what you think about the show and our boating adventures. And we will see you on the next one. All right. There we are.